there, welcome to ShowMeTheCurry.com. I'm Anuja and today we are going to be talking about the latest craze out there, and it's the Dalgona Coffee. Whoa! I don't know if you've heard about it. It's absolutely crazy. Everyone is talking about Dalgona Coffee. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it right, but it is, believe it or not, it's not from Dalgona. There's no place as such. But anyway, it is from Macau, and this particular Korean actor went there into Macau and had this coffee and just loved it. And believe it or not, it's trending at this point. So let's get to the nitty-gritty of it and figure out how to make this Dalgona coffee. So on a serious note, you know, the desi or the Indian in me just can't get over the fact that it's that Phenti Hui coffee that we used to have back in India. Remember those days? रात को college के time, exams के time, or we'd be sitting there and pentoing coffee just so that we could keep our eyes open, so that we could study. Well, it's got a new name. It's got a fancy name. Phenti Hui coffee is now known as Dalgona Coffee. So let's just be really fancy today and learn how to make this Dalgona coffee. And it's a very simple recipe. But anyway, so bottom line, Dalgona coffee, Indian Phenti Hui coffee, or you know, just fluffy, frothy coffee. Basically, it's just yum. We had actually done this video about, I think, in 2011. Phil and I had done it in 2011, and we got a lot of bashing for it because, you know, everybody said, "Oh, what's the big deal?" But who knew? We were way ahead of our time. Little did we know at that time. So it's what, 9 years now, and lo and behold, the coffee is back. So I'm going to put the link for that original video down below. You can check it out. But without further ado, let me show you how to make this Dalgona coffee. So bottom line is you need a mug or something to make the coffee in. And now this is not the mug that you're going to be serving it in, so keep that in mind. And to that, you're going to add instant coffee. Now you're going to use, you can use any kind of coffee you want. You can decaffeinated or caffeinated, or it just needs to be instant coffee. That's it. So we're going to use 1 tablespoon of coffee and sugar. Now you can use again brown sugar, white sugar, and the same amount of hot boiling water. Now all you have to do is start whipping it. So look at it. It is brown at this point, and I'm going to whip it and whip it. What I forgot to mention to you before is I actually made sure I got a little bit of an arm workout. So I warmed up my arm muscles before I sat down to do this, because it is so needed. And I also got my push-ups in, whatever few I could do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we're pushing our luck. Now they say it takes about 400 beats for it to whip up, but who's counting? So I'm going to carry on doing this. You can do this, you know, while doing other things as well. You can do it while walking. You can do it while sitting down. You can do it while playing games with your kids. Or you can sit here on a couch. Or you can be sitting here in the kitchen. You can do it upside down. Actually, don't do that. The coffee will fall. You can sit outside, of course, while social distancing, sitting on your couch, waving at the neighbors walking by. Hello! You can get one of your kids to give you a massage. Good luck there. Or you can get one of the kids to help you. Not happening. So seriously, it's not that hard. It was a joke, of course, needless to say. And this is where I am at this point. I haven't been counting. It's still not done. But there are, you know, you can carry on and it will be fabulous. But there are a few easier ways of doing it. So here's a few options you can use. So good old whisk, you can use that. Very easy. This is a frother. It really is a frother. So here you go, you can use that. Dip it in even faster. You don't have to worry about the elbow grease. You've got the good old hand blender. If you're making a bigger batch, really, really good. Or you've got your hand blender. Just put in 1 or 2, either one is fine. It works out really good. This is perfect. As you noticed, I resorted to the easiest and the fastest method. Fabulous. So light, so fluffy. Look how beautiful it looks. Fabulous. My arm got enough exercise, no help from the family. But since I'm having it, so I guess I gotta do all the dirty work. But anyway, it was not that bad. It's just a joke. But here you go. This is what it looks like. See, stiff peaks. Perfect. So now I have a glass over here with ice. So it's entirely up to you whether you want to make cold coffee out of it or hot coffee. But I'm going to make cold coffee because I like that. And cold milk. Now I'm not going to fill it up all the way. I'm just going to fill it 3/4 of the way. To this, I'm going to put in the frothy mixture. And then I'm going to just level it out and decorate it the way I want to decorate it. Now if you like, you can sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on it, or nutmeg, or chocolate chips. So my Dalgona coffee is ready. How gorgeous does that look? And you know, what a perfect activity to do on a day when you're quarantined, right? So it's kept me busy pretty much all morning. So what you're supposed to do is now just mix it and then try it. So let's see. Coffee flavor, yum. And I made a mess. It's okay. So it really reminds me of very creamy, frothy cold coffee. Absolutely delicious. It's sweet, it's strong. And I think that 1 tablespoon of coffee for the sugar is the right amount. Of course, if you like it stronger, go ahead. Either way, you can adjust. But this is like fabulous. Very, very creamy. So you almost feel like you're having heavy milk, heavy full cream milk, but it's really not. Mine is 1%, so all good. But this is really, really good. So whether you call it Dalgona coffee or Apni Desi Phenti Hui Coffee, either way, it's fabulous. Enjoy it. And I would definitely suggest, once all this social distancing and all is over, recruit your neighbors. So Hetal, watch out next time when I get an opportunity. I'm going to send this over for you to beat up for a little while. So anyway, if you like this video and you'd like to see more from us, please give us a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe and ring that bell button, because anytime we post a video, you'll be the first one to know. So join us again on another episode of ShowMeTheCurry.com, adding a pinch of spice to your life.